Hello and welcome to my newest video. Well, I will show you how to install and configure my newest plugin, Yelpomatic Yelp Post Generator plugin for WordPress. This plugin will generate content from Yelp to your blog. Will import the businesses from Yelp and will add also reviews as comments. To install the plugin, click Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose File, navigate to the zip file you downloaded, click Install Now. After the installation, activate the plugin, go to Plugin Settings. Here you have to create an Yelp app for this plugin to work. To create one, click here. Here you have to introduce some basic details. I'll introduce some. Okay. Accept. Create new app. Okay, now we have a client ID and client secret. Copy the client ID, paste it here, click show, copy and paste, save. Okay, now after you saved your app, you can start using the plugin. Don't bother using this client ID and secret because I will delete it after this video. Okay. Now you can configure the plugin, or you can start directly creating rules for importing businesses. Firstly, let's have a look at my blog. This is my blog, no post found. Now we can start importing. We can input coordinates, latitude and longitude, exactly in this format with parentheses and comma. If we include it exactly in this format, we can also include some keywords, the schedule, every 24 hours this rule will run, maximum, let's say 5 posts. Post status published, it's a post, you can set any post type you want, the author and advanced settings. Here you can, here are defined many shortcodes that you can use to generate the title, and also even more shortcodes to generate the content. These are shortcodes for using in comments. These are reviews imported as comments. Okay, these are predefined templates, you can modify them as you want. You can import reviews, maximum free, grab extra info, you should check this, filter category, the categories from Yelp, full. You can choose what you want. The radius, if you define latitude and longitude, then you should define also radius. Radius is defined in meters. Resulting language, you can select the language from here, and the output will be generated in this language. Sort results order, price level, if you want cheaper or expensive restaurants. It is open now. If you check this, only open now places will be returned. Open at, you can select the date and the time, and if it is open at that time, only in that case will be published on your blog. You can select also attributes, has deals, offer cashbacks, request a quote, is hot and new, generated post format. You can change the post format. You can add additional categories, automatically add categories from item tags, hashtags, content, or all. Auto add tags, same. Additional post tags. Enable comments, ping back trackbacks, auto get featured image, and default featured image if no featured image is found. Okay, now let's save this rule and let's run it. Something is not right. Bad client ID or secret. Let's introduce one more time. Maybe I haven't got it right for the first time. Copy paste this here, save app info, and let's run it again. Something's not right now. Yeah, probably I inputted a space somewhere. Okay, now it is working. And also it imported post, so be careful when you copy the app ID and secret that you may be inputting it wrong. If it gives you a red X, go to logging and see here that the plugin said that bad client ID or secret. In this case you can go back and correct it. Now I have corrected it, and we can go right now to our blog, refresh it, and see the posts that are generated. Here some screenshots, some reviews from Yelp. You can change the reviews template. Also, you can change the post template. This is only an example. You can see the rating of the place, a map, the address, some tags, the link with this you note that this is San Francisco, so I imported restaurants from San Francisco, Chinese. And if we go to our blog, we can see that all restaurants are Chinese from San Francisco. Okay. Now let's take London. Let's input here London with nothing else and save settings. Now let's run the rule. The posts are getting generated right now. We can go to the blog, our test blog, and watch the posts getting generated. If we keep hitting refresh, we can see how the posts are getting generated. And the rule is finished running, and all posts were generated. Okay, this is an example. Okay. Also, the plugin has many features. You can input a Google Maps map. you can input a Google Maps API key. The plugin uses by default a generic API key that can be overused if many clients use this plugin. The generic API key can be overused, and I recommend that you generate your own Google API key, Google Maps API key, and introduce it here. Okay. You can customize the read more button, the get directions, health inspections, view menu, review highlights, questions. These are all Yelp links. And you can customize the text that appears for these buttons. You can automatically shorten URLs, strip links from generated post content, show extended item information, enable logging for use, enable detailed logging, automatically clear logs, timeout for rule running. If the rule takes too much time to run, it will automatically be stopped after this number of seconds. You can send an email with the running summary, minimum title word count, maximum title word count, banned words, required words. If the post doesn't meet these requirements, it won't be imported. Featured image resize width and height. You can resize the featured image as you like. Skip posts that do not have images. Automatically translate to using Google Translate, any language you wish. Hide Google Translate pop-up. Spin text. Also, this plugin has a automatic text pinning. It can change words with their synonyms, so the website will look authentic, and the web crawlers will not detect duplicate content. You can change the map that is embedded, its zoom, its width and height. Also, this plugin has a random sentence generator. You can define sentences here with variables that you define here, and one at random will be picked, and also the variables will be replaced with the words as you define here. Some custom shortcodes with add codes or anything else you want. These two. Okay. And finally, random affiliate keyword replacer. Search for a keyword, replace it with another keyword, and add a link to it. Also, WordPress shortcode that you can add a map that points to a predefined location with a zoom level and a text with a bubble in the map with this text. So this is all. I hope you will enjoy my plugin. Have fun using it. Until next time, bye.